Welcome to True Rates, the platform built specifically for carriers, brokers, and owner-operators who are tired of guessing what brokers really earn. In this tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to use True Rates to find real broker payout rates, submit your loads, and leverage the Broker Transparency Act to get the information you deserve. First, let's get you set up. Head to thetruerates.com and click Register in the top right corner. Choose Carrier as your account type. Then enter your company information, including your MC number and DOT number. Don't worry, we'll verify these automatically with the FMCSA database to ensure everything is legitimate. Once you submit your information, you'll receive a verification email. Click the link in that email to activate your account. After that, you'll need to select a subscription plan to access all features. Now for the good part, finding out what brokers are actually paying. Click on New Search in the main menu. Here you can search by origin city, destination city, equipment type. You can also filter the search results by the date. Let's say you're looking at a load from Los Angeles, California to Phoenix, Arizona with a dry van. Just enter those details and hit search. The results will show you actual rates that brokers paid carriers for similar lanes. No more guessing, no more getting lowballed. You'll see the broker name, the rate they paid, the true rate, the date, and the equipment type. This is real data from real loads, verified through the Broker Transparency Act. Use this information before you negotiate your next load. If you see brokers are making $2,200 for a load from Los Angeles, California to Phoenix, Arizona, don't settle for a rate of $1,200. Here's where you help build the database and hold brokers accountable. After you complete a load, submit it to True Rates. Click Submit Load from the dashboard. Fill in the basic information, the broker's name and email, the load number, origin and destination, the rate they paid you, and any equipment details. Here's the important part. You don't need the rate confirmation documents yourself. Once you submit this information, we'll contact the broker on your behalf and request the official rate confirmation under the Broker Transparency Act. Federal law requires brokers to provide this within 48 hours. When we receive those documents, we'll add the true broker rate to our database so other carriers can see it. This is how we're creating transparency across the entire industry, one load at a time. True Rates offers even more tools to help you run your business. Our load board integrations let you quickly jump to major load boards to book freight, but now you're armed with real rate data before you negotiate. The Weather and Road Conditions feature helps you plan routes and stay safe by showing live weather updates along your route. And our Truck Repair Finder helps you locate nearby repair shops anywhere in the country when you need them most. Use our FMCSA lookup tool to instantly pull up any company's safety record, authority status, and insurance information. All of these tools are designed with one goal: to empower you with the information and resources you need to run a profitable, efficient trucking operation. On the Documents page, carriers can view all loads they've submitted and check whether brokers have uploaded the required documentation. Each entry displays the load details, submission date, and the 48-hour compliance deadline. Once a broker shares a document, the carrier can review it and either approve or decline to ensure the information provided matches the requested details. Scrolling further down, carriers can see a summary of all submitted loads, including how many brokers have complied, which ones are non-compliant, and any pending documents still awaiting broker submission. The days of brokers hiding their margins are over. With True Rates, you have the transparency and tools you need to negotiate fair rates and run your business smarter. If you have any questions, visit our help center or contact us at support@thetruerates.com or call 47079-28957. Thank you for choosing True Rates. Together, we're bringing transparency to the logistics industry.